Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. Today is Thursday, April the 8th of 2021, and for the next part of my 30-day drawing challenge, this is the drawing I did in pencil yesterday of Lorraine Hester. She's a saloon girl from my Wild West webcomic, Poison Ivy Gulch. And today, we're going to ink her. I'm going to be using a Uniball pen, so let's get started. Yeah, saloon girls, they're a stock character in westerns, and they were indeed truth in television. They really did exist in the Old West. Some of them were more naughty ladies, shall we say. But, a lot of them were meant to flirt with the male customers, get them to buy drinks. They would entertain them, too, by singing and dancing, and prevent them from going to the saloon down the street. Alright, let's work on that big, puffy, long hair that Lorraine has. Yeah, I do like women with long hair. There we go. You see how much crisper this image looks now that I'm rendering it with ink? Yeah, this is looking good. Lorraine is a very nice and beautiful lady. That's why I hear little Ace has a crush on her. Tomorrow, I'm going to color this in. I'm going to use my markers. Right here. Alright, let's work in that good dress she's got on. That's starting to look good there. Of course, it looked good before. Lorraine looks good too. Anyone can draw. It just takes practice, dedication. I can draw, you can draw, anyone can draw. As I said before, the female body is designed differently from the male, so it's worth learning that if you want to draw, be it realistically, or cartoons, or comic strips, or manga, or comic books. Alright. Bottom of her dress. There we go. Now look how much better Lorraine looks now that she's been rendered in ink. Well, join me tomorrow. I'm going to color this with marker. Hit the subscribe button below to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to check out more of Poison Ivy Gulch, just look at just go to the link below in the video description. Until then, this is me, Max West, saying goodbye.